Hey there, today I have this pet brush that was sent to me from the brand, and this brush is a little different than most because it actually atomizes some water through the brush, and it's going to help with that flyaway fur. We have a Sheltie who is super furry, so I've been using this for a little bit now and think it's a really good product. Let's go over what it has with it. With this, you're going to get the charging cord for it. You're also going to get the serum that you can use mixed with water. You're also going to get an empty bottle if you choose to mix it in there. You're going to get the rake, and you're also going to get the brush itself. So I used the rake on my dog. It was super simple to use, of course, and then I really like that the lever allows all of that fur to be pushed off in one big clump. There's a port on the bottom of the brush for recharging when needed. Once it's charged, there is a power button which will begin the atomizing of the water. So for using the brush, you fill the port with water here, then put the lid back on, and then you can turn it on, and that's what starts the atomizing of the water. So you just brush your pet until you're done. Water does a good job adding a little bit of moisture to the fur to help keep the flyaways from happening. Then once you're done to remove all of that fur from the brush, you simply press the paw-shaped button on the top of the brush, and that will release all the fur from the brush. While my dog doesn't love to be brushed, he does tolerate it pretty well, and he didn't really seem to mind all the times while brushing him. He stayed pretty still while I did it. Super easy again to get all that fur off. If you are looking for a pet brush with just a little bit something to help keep those flyaway fur pieces, then I hope this video helps you decide on if this is a good product for you.